Let me show you how to pull your Shopify sales report and by product straight into Google Sheets. To get your Shopify sales data into Google Sheets, you need our Gorilla ROI extension. Go to extension add-ons and then you can go to get add-ons, search for Gorilla ROI and then install the add-on. Install the one that says Gorilla ROI Data Connector. Once that's done, go in and activate it. Click on Show Sidebar and then enter your account details to unlock all the features. Once that's loaded, let me take you through a quick query to download all of your reports by product into Google Sheets. Click on Create New Query, select Shopify Data, and select the store. So if you have, whether you have 1 store or 5 stores or 50 stores, you can connect it all directly to Gorilla ROI and then select the one that you want to pull the data for. In my example, I'm just going to pull in the vitamin store. Select the time period that you want to get it for. So let's say last 90 days. The different reports that we offer is in the list. For this one, since I want Shopify sales, click on sales and you can select different data points that you want, but it's always easier just to select everything, save the query and then run it. So that's how easy it is to build the query. With just about 10 clicks or so, just follow the prompts and you'll be able to generate a table of your Shopify sales data directly into Google Sheets. Let's say I want to edit this query. I'll go back in and then I can, if I wanted to do it for a different store, I can select a different store. Or let's say I want to change the period. You can change it directly from there. Or let's say instead of selecting all the metrics, let's say I want to change it to just say 3 random data points that I want to pull. I would then apply the changes and it's going to regenerate the table and overwrite and apply over the already existing table. And so within about 5 to 10 seconds, you'll have your new table. You can then combine this. So let's say I want to create a new query related to inventory. Select the Shopify account again, say last 14 days, and I can type in to find inventory. And then select all the metrics, create the query, and then let it run. Within, again, say 10 seconds or so, it's going to generate and populate an inventory report directly into Google Sheets. This way, now if I wanted to do some forecasting or just wanted to analyze the business, I can combine it together and see my sales. So let's go back to the main menu here. And right now I've only created 2 queries, but let's say you have a list of 10 or so and you want to bulk refresh it. You can refresh by clicking the bulk query refresh, and it's going to go through each formula, each query that you've created and start updating them one by one. So you can set this up to be done manually if you want, or you can set it up to be done hourly or daily, whatever your refresh schedule requirement is. You'll see when it was last updated here on the menu itself, and that way you can keep track of when your data has been loaded and updated and refreshed directly into Google Sheets. So that's how you can load your Shopify sales data. Okay, so rather than doing it manually, you can just automatically pull it directly into Google Sheets using Gorilla ROI.